everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will see DevOps project. It's a simple project where we are creating a Docker image of a simple, application. What you say? It's just a index.html. We're creating a Docker image, and then we are trying to deploy it, and then we are trying to access that page. So we will increase the complexity with showing the load balancing part too. Okay. So without further ado, let's go. So this is a GitHub repo. I will share the link of this repo in description box so that you can use the same repo and try deploying the simple application. Also, I've attached a README file where how to deploy. This part is not added in pipeline as of now. So deploying in Kubernetes, I've done it in Minikube. Okay, and how we have then we just have to do kubectl apply -f and the YAML files that we have, and how to access it on server, that all debugging part and how to make the changes I have given in readme file. You can go through it. Okay, so first of all, I have this index.html which is saying hello from web server 1, and here the required files are already there. Then we have docker file, where docker file is just copying. I'm using nginx alpine image, and it's just getting copied to the index.html path, where the this should be there. And in our GitHub, in our CI/CD pipeline, we are just creating the Docker image and pushing it to our Docker hub. So here, as you can see, it is using the secret path. So when you will use this pipeline, you need to configure the secret path by going into the settings. Inside the settings, you will see secret and variables of actions. You go to actions and you add the repository secrets over here. That's it. And then this is related to the secret part, because without the secret part being added, won't be able to access the docker hub. Once your docker images are pushed and available in docker hub, then in the YAML file, so basically our use of YAML file, you can use all these, but we need to replace the docker image which got pushed into the docker file. This part can be automated in the CI/CD YAML that we can do, but as of now I haven't done it, but yes, we can do it. We can replace over here the so this is the image name, so you just have to replace the web. So there are two docker file and we are building the images for both. So the lb deployment part and the web deployment.yaml path, like file image, we have to replace. So by this project we'll be able to not only see the creation of pipeline, but also the load balancing part, that how so this is not full, but yeah, we are load balancing part we'll see tomorrow. It's just that today I have tried for just one web server, one index.html. I'll try to create one more which will have some different content in the body, and then we can see the load balancing part. Okay, after the images are done and we have replaced the image in the YAMLs file. So one image will go in the lb deployment and one will go in web deployment. Once this is done, our Minikube, we will just have to log in, and what all commands we will have to run, we will do that. And after that, after making the changes, after doing kubectl apply -f, and when we'll see that our pods are up and running, uh, so see, our pods are up and running, web app, nginx lb. Once those pods are up and running, after doing the changes in the host file, we just need to access it using the http nginx local, and it will give the um, server, it will give the output. If it doesn't work, I have given the workaround too in the readme, so you can use that. You can use minikube tunnel, and then you can use that as well. So yeah, for sure, I'll give the link in the description box. Please try this, and we'll add more things to this project. So that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.